Scammers suck. Hello my friends and welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. My name's Chris and I'm the Batman statue collector here on YouTube. And I have a little bit of a PSA today, a public service announcement in talking about scams, talking about scammers. Now we've talked about it ad nauseum here on the channel in terms of individuals usually selling on Facebook or eBay or other places where they'll scam you out of your money and they don't actually deliver your statue, or they give you something that is different, or they flat out use photos from other people's collections and say it's theirs. And so we advise on this channel at least to always have a video with the date, not photos, videos with the date where you actually maybe live chat with them so they can show you the statue, the condition of the statue, and you also know and have some peace of mind that they actually have it in hand. Also make sure you use PayPal, goods and services if you don't know them. If you know somebody, use friends and family, but otherwise use goods and services. So that's that, right? That's that kind of scam. But the other kind of scam that we're starting to see here on the channel and in the communities is through Facebook, and they're more like a business. They're paid advertisements. And there's a couple of different things going on. The one that I saw a few weeks back was actually involving J&D. Now J&D, very great products, but they are $2,000 and up, okay? Very, very expensive. But these ads were saying that you get all of these characters, the Joker and Margot Robbie's Harley Quinn and others, Catwoman, for $49.99, which is absolutely insane. And of course, collectors like myself see that and are like, well, that's a scam. You know, it's like somebody is trying to scam people out of money. And so I knew that right away, but there's so many collectors out there that are new, that don't know all of these hidden rules of collecting. They don't maybe know who J&D is. They just see, wow, that's an awesome product for a great price. And then whenever they get stuff in hand, it's crap. And it's a scam. And a lot of times you don't even expect to get anything back, like period. You just expect your money to go away. But in this case recently, somebody posted here, I'll show you the video because it's actually quite hilarious. Somebody actually fell for the scam, God bless you, and they actually sent these incredibly painted, it's just sad. It's really sad to see what they actually sent. At least they sent something, I guess that's something, but the fact that they're using J&D's photos to sell fake products, that is where it gets infuriating. And I hate to see collectors fall for it. I had a number of collectors personally message me and say, hey Chris, I went ahead and bought those. I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry. That's awful. Like, we posted warnings in the Facebook groups. You know, I know that a lot of collectors reported that ad, and so much the fact that you can't see that. But actually, I looked it up today, and you could still go to the site. You could still go to that site. And so I'm going to show you that here to make sure you do not fall for this. Do not fall for this scam. And again, a lot of collectors have been in the hobby for a long time. We know it's a scam. But if you're just coming in and you're scrolling through Facebook at 2 a.m., you're like, that is awesome, I'm going to spend $50, do not fall for it, guys. If it is too good to be true, it is a scam. If somebody is selling a $2,000 statue for $900, it's a scam. Unless they absolutely do not know what they have. But chances are if you are collecting $2,000 high-end collectibles, you know exactly what you're doing. You know the price you paid for it. Now maybe it's broken so it's cheaper, or there's always going to be things. That's why you do those video conferences like I mentioned. Make sure you see what you're going to be getting. But again, if it's too good to be true, then it probably is. Okay? I also want to give a shout out to Seth over at MCE. Big fan of their channel. They do amazing work over there. I've met George. I haven't met Seth yet, but I'd like to someday. But anyway, he was targeted where they actually used his unboxing of, I believe, a PCS piece. And the scammers were using footage of his unboxing to sell fraudulent stuff. They didn't ask his permission. And again, that's just incredibly infuriating. It is wrong. And so we're going to start seeing more and more of that. We've seen more and more scams here recently. People are desperate sometimes, so they will do unimaginable things. But on purposely trying to scam people out of their money, it's just sickening. And so buy from places that you trust. Go to Facebook groups like MCE or the Batman Statue Collector Facebook group. If you feel comfortable being in those groups and you trust those people, then have that confidence, because we have really good communities. But if you're just scrolling through Facebook and see something sponsored and it's too good to be true, guys, don't fall for it. Do not fall for it. Now, I did follow Seth. Seth put out another video and he said, you know what? He was able to report it. I personally reported it also. I know a lot of other collectors did, and it was taken off. Facebook sided with them, which is fantastic. But I do think we're going to see more and more of that. So again, I just wanted to do this video today, again, kind of short and sweet. But when it comes to things that are too good to be true, don't fall for them. Ask for references, ask around in the community. If you see a post for $50 for a $2,000 statue, ask people about it. Does this seem real? And everybody's going to say, nope. No, it doesn't. It's not real. Don't fall for it. Also, we have to stick out for one another. We have to stick up for one another. If you see things like that in the community that you know is wrong, you know is a scam, or you know is a scammer. I have people message me daily, say, hey Chris, I think we have another scammer here. I will investigate, I'll have my team investigate, and we'll block that person. Or, just keep an eye out. If you see things like that you know, nah, that doesn't seem right. Somebody messaged me the other day and said, Chris, I've seen it in 3 or 4 different groups, the same person with a really fake name, and you could tell usually these fake names, are scamming people. The prices are too good to be true, and they were. It turned out that they were absolutely a scammer. So they were blocked from all those different groups. Of course, tomorrow they'll come back to Facebook with another fake profile and do it again. They're not going to stop because people keep falling for it. I don't want you to be one of those people. I don't want you to fall for that and be humiliated and lose your money. There's a lot of legit companies out there, legit products out there. Go through those retailers. You guys know, we talk about them here on the channel. Go through those official retailers. Go through those local retailers, those local comic book shops. Order from them. Order from links that we provide if you want to use those links. Do not ever purchase those things from the Facebook sponsored ads. Don't do it, okay? And if you see likenesses, video reviewers, YouTubers, and things like that in places that don't really fit, you know it's probably a scam, okay? So again, this is just my little PSA. I felt like I needed to, talk about it. Again, I was definitely inspired by what Seth had to say because I could feel his frustration. And I've seen it a bunch in the last couple weeks. It's on the rise. So we need to talk about it. We need to focus on it. And as a community, we need to stick together and take the scammers down because they ruin our hobby. They ruin the excitement and the fun that we have doing this hobby. Life is stressful enough. We don't need more stress on top of it, right? We already have space and money issues. We talk about that here. Don't let scammers get you, and protect each other from scammers, okay? That's what we need to do. Come together as a community. And again, hope this helps. Hope this helps some of you maybe that's new to collecting, know what to avoid, what to watch for, to ask for references, to ask, hey, does this seem okay? Don't be afraid to do that because there's always going to be somebody that is willing to answer your questions and help you out along the way. Okay? So anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you are new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button, hit that like button. And otherwise, just thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Again, I hope it helped some of you. And if it did, please make sure you share this video so other collectors will know what to do when it comes to scams. Okay? Thank you so very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you right here in the Batcave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.